Okay, all right, everyone, here's our next cookie. Now these are our chocolate bonbons, our almond paste that's in the middle. Remember that we made these earlier. So now we're gonna bake these off. Now these, as you can see, I have my name in the corner right here, okay? So these are not gonna take as long. Remember, these are tea cookie, they're better for set. So that means that they're little bite size, and we have 4 times 6, we have 24 cookies out of this recipe. So again, I want to put these in the oven and set the timer. And the timer this time is only going to be for 7 minutes. Okay, so we will check these. Now these are going to be very, very light and fluffy. The edges are just going to be a little bit golden. They're not going to be, they're not going to spread. They're going to stay their dome shape. And when they come out and be a little bit warm, we're going to roll some of them into sugar, just granulated sugar, and the other half we'll dip in chocolate and do a nice little piping on top. So you'll get some exposure to working with chocolate and piping back. All right, so we will check those and when the timer goes off. See you in a bit.